Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You cannot install Microsoft Edge directly on a PS5. Sony does not offer desktop browser installs. Instead, start by updating your PS5 system software and enabling Remote Play. Go to Settings System Remote Play and toggle it on. Make sure your PS5 is set as your primary console and stays in rest mode settings configured to allow connections. Once done, download and sign into the PS Remote Play app on the PC or mobile device, where you'll run Microsoft Edge. On your PC or mobile, install and open the PS Remote Play app and sign in with the same PSN account used on the console. Connect the DualSense or use the on-screen controller so input works. Launch Microsoft Edge on that device. You'll be running Edge locally while controlling the PS5 through Remote Play. Connect Remote Play to your PS5 and position the app window or cast your PC to the TV. This effectively lets you browse with Edge while using the PS5 as the display. Finish by optimizing controls and display. Attach a keyboard and mouse to your PC for smooth Edge use or configure controller mappings. If video quality or latency is poor, reduce Remote Play's resolution and frame rate in the app and move devices closer to the router or use wired Ethernet for the PS5. If you can't connect, sign out and back into PSN, restart the PS5 and client device, and check firewall or router settings. This one troubleshooting step, lower streaming quality, usually fixes lag and disconnects.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.